Okay, all my intrepid retailers, in this video I am going to show you how to bulk update products. Basically the reasoning behind this option is, say for example you've got 100 products that are in the cart and you've shipped the products out, etc. You've got rid of them. Rather than setting all the quantities to zero one after the other, you can actually have all the products selected and reset them all to zero in one go. It doesn't just work on quantities, it works on the majority of the fields within a product. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go into stock. And then stock manager. This literally is the epicenter of editing products. You add them, you remove them, rename them, you name it, it's going to be here that you come to for the majority of those tasks. Okay, so this is how we're going to go about it. First off, we look for some products that we want to change a particular value of. So I'm going to go by the type of item. If you're not too sure what type of item is and subtype, which are these here, there is a video on types and subtypes, how to add them to the actual products when you create products. And they are just basically a way of categorizing products within a certain category, such as cat or dog, for example. So I'm going to look in this case for cat. And then we can search, and there we go, we have a list of them there. Now the rule of thumb with this is when we do this bulk update, it is going to update the products that we have selected. At the moment these are the products that are listed, but to select them we literally do that. So that would be finger on the screen, drag your finger, or finger on the mouse button, left mouse button that is, and drag the mouse. You can also use the other Windows features such as the control button to select random ones throughout the list. Anyway, so I've selected these few here, and now I want to change the quantity of them to zero. So we come down to here, I type in 0 and then press enter, and there you go, you can see it has updated it live on the screen. Now do bear in mind that this feature is very powerful and very useful. It's also very dangerous in the wrong hands. If you was to accidentally have done that on all the products, then they are changed, end of story. So you need to tread carefully with the tools within this section. Basically there is no undo, but if you do regular backups, then you can, obviously you would speak to our support team and we can bring things back for you from the backup. But my advice is just to tread carefully when you're using these functions. They are very powerful and very useful, and they can cause a lot of grief in the wrong hands. And that's it really on bulk updating. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later.